Hello students, in this video we will discuss about experiment number 10, implement 8:3 encoder using FPGA from subject VLSI by Mrs. Prachi Kalpande. So here you can see the logic diagram of 8:3 encoder. So here there are 8 switches or 8 inputs and 3 outputs. So the switch which is selected, depending on that a binary code will be generated. For example, if D0 is selected, that time D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 will be 0 and D0 will be 1. The output generated will be all 0. So A0, B0 and C0. So likewise the switch which will be selected like D7, if that is selected, rest of all the input switches will be 0 and the output will be A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. So this is the truth table of 8:3 encoder. Here you can see T0 is 1 and output is 0, 0, 0. When D1 is 1, output is 0, 0, 1 and so on. When D7 is 1, output is 1, 1, 1. So this is how each binary code will be generated depending upon the switch which is connected. Now the VHDL code for 8:3 encoder is shown here. Here you can see it is a behavioral model. The entity name is N83 and the input ports are I. Here since there are 8 inputs, so I is given 8 bits, so 7 down to 0 and output is 3 bits, so 2 down to 0. So these are the input output ports. Then in the architecture case statement is used and you can see here the VHDL code. Now this VHDL code is edited in the editor and you can see here the file name of the entity code is EN83 and a source code is generated, and then the editor in the program is written in the editor. So once the program is written, afterwards you have to do the syntax checking, and that is done by synthesize. So here you can see the very first step is to check the syntax of the program by clicking on check syntax. Once it is successful, then you have to go to simulation, and in simulation there is iSim simulator. In that you have to check for behavioral check syntax. Once it is successful, then you have to simulate behavioral model. So after behavioral check syntax is successful, then you have to go for simulation. So simulation, after simulation you can see this type of window is open, and in this you can see the inputs and outputs. So inputs you have to give and the output will be generated. So if the test bench if you have written, the output will be generated here, so you can check out. So here input is shown, you can see I 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and then 1, and the output is 0, 0, 0. So next input you can see here and the output is 0, 0, 1. So likewise, depending upon the switch which is pressed or which has been 1, depending on that a binary code is generated. All the codes you can check here. So this is how it is verified that the truth table is verified with the output, whether the VHDL code is right or wrong. This is all about the experiment. Thank you.